I'm going to show you a really easy way to create some netted pleats to add to any of your garments, whether it be the hem, a cuff, on the edge of a shawl, just to add some really pretty details. So these pleats are made with a double layer of the net, and you can do them pretty much any length that you want. These ones, I'm just going to measure them, and they are 2¼ inch. So we're just going to double that, and so we're going to do them at 4½, and you're going to cut rows of net fabric. So just mark that out with the chalk, and the best way to cut net is with a rotary cutter. You can do it with the scissors, but sometimes it's quite misaligned, so the rotary cutter will give you a much better finish, so I definitely recommend you do that. Once you have lots of your net strips, what you want to do then is that fold one of those, fold it over, and then on the folded edge, that's where we're going to actually start sewing. And do a couple of stitches just to get that started. Now, to create the pleat, you actually have to fold the fabric underneath and then sew over that. So I'm just showing you this in a slower motion. So these pleats are about 1 centimetre wide, and once you fold it under, that's where you're going to sew, hold it in place, and then you fold the next one underneath it. So you're pleating one by one. So I've just done the first pleat, put that into place, couple of stitches just over it to keep it locked in, and then you continue on to the next pleat, and then you just keep going, and it takes a little bit of time, but you get this beautiful ruffled pleats at the end. And there you have it, a gorgeous row of pleats that you can add to a number of different garments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please follow for more.